Alright, doing another video. I got bored out here in the garage screwing around. This one's not done yet. I definitely need to, like I said, pull it apart, clean, paint the grills, and polish the blade. But this is a, I don't know, it's a Dayton though, 16-inch like table fan, baby industrial fan. I don't know, but that's another eBay find. I got it cheap because the guy said it didn't work. And the switch was broken. It had one of the little hand switches on it. But I did a little customizing on it. There's the base. It's got the original chrome on it. I tried polishing it out, but it doesn't really. It's pitted really bad and bubbled. But, let's see here. There's the, used to have the cord with the, like I said, the switch on it, and then I took and drilled a hole in there. And the wire through the tube. This is hollow. Then put a switch, and then the cord out here. So I didn't like the way that wire pulled on the motor. You couldn't find a 2-speed hand switch, or at least I couldn't. If you could, you can, great, but kind of like it this way. But anyway, the switch is weird. It kicks on low twice, but it's only got 3 wires. So here it is on high. Freaking grill on this thing makes too much racket. And then I got the same thing. Well, it's actually the fan, motor, and blade out of one over here, stuck in an air conditioning venturi. Same motor. I think their RPMs are a little different, but the motor's in really good shape. Yeah, I dug that fan out of a space heater at the junkyard. So brought it home and put it in that. I might make a wooden box for it. I don't know yet. So, yeah, I didn't give a whole hell of a lot for this. I see the other ones go for like 100, 100.5 on there, and there's no shape in this. But like I said, just, let's see, right back on. And here's my crappy wiring job. I need to put something on the bottom of this. Anyway, I'll do a startup sound. Hell with it. Well, there it is. 3, 4, shoot. I'm out of time. Thanks for watching.